Big news for Galaxy Watch Ultra users in the US. Your smartwatch is about to get a major upgrade. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8 watch update for the Galaxy Watch Ultra in the US. This massive software update is nearly 2 gigs in size and brings some exciting new features, though the security patch included is slightly older. If you own the original Galaxy Watch Ultra, look for the PDA build version L705 USQ1BYFE to spot the update. It's a big leap forward with a fresh UI design and advanced health tracking features. Midway through the update, get ready for handy new tools like the Anti-Accident Index and Running Coach. According to user reports, the update is currently rolling out to AT&T and T-Mobile devices. Once Samsung confirms the update's stability, they'll expand it to more carriers across the US. To get the update, open the Galaxy Wearable app, go to Watch Settings, Watch Software Update, then tap Download and Install. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. If you're planning to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 7, make sure to use the exclusive links below, made just for KidAndroid HA viewers to grab some awesome perks. You'll get a free $50 Samsung credit just by clicking the link, plus up to $150 storage upgrade credit. That means you can either double your storage for free or get a big discount on the 1TB model. On top of that, there's up to $1,000 in trade-in credit for your old Samsung phone and 30% off Galaxy Watches and Buds. These are limited time offers, so don't miss out. Not just for its flagship phones, but for budget models too. The company is fast-tracking One UI 8 for its budget devices. Samsung has been testing this major update on several older Galaxy phones, and now the process is gaining momentum. A test build of One UI 8 just appeared for the Galaxy M35 5G. The build number M356BXXU5CWG6 was spotted on the Indian variant, confirming Samsung has started internal testing. This is big news because Samsung usually rolls out updates first to its premium models, but now budget phones are getting early attention as well. The Galaxy M35 launched last year with Android 14-based One UI 6.1, later received One UI 7, and is now preparing for One UI 8. This clearly shows Samsung is aiming to include more devices in its early rollout plans. Other devices in line for One UI 8 include the Galaxy S24 series, Z Flip 6, Z Fold 6, S23 series, A56, A36, and more. After the stable One UI 8 version hits the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is likely to expand the rollout to these phones. Right now, Samsung is working on the Beta 4 version of One UI 8 for the Galaxy S25. And according to previous reports, we could see the stable rollout for older phones starting shortly after July 30. Stay tuned. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.